In this lesson, we're going to learn how to play the B major 7 chord. Here we go. Hey guitarists, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials. We're first going to start with the makeup of the B major 7 chord. We have the root, which is B, the third, which is D sharp, the fifth, which is F sharp, and then the seventh, which is A sharp. The first way I'm going to show you is in an open position. It's not the most common way, but it's a cool sounding chord. So here's how it goes. We're going to put our second finger on the second fret of the fifth string. That's our B note. Then we're going to put our first finger on the first fret of the fourth string. That's our D sharp, or third. Then we're going to put our third finger on the second fret of the first string. That's our F sharp, or fifth. And then we're going to put our fourth finger down on the third fret of the third string, and that's our A sharp. That is the seventh. And then we have two Bs, this one and then the open B string, therefore making it open position. And here's what it sounds like. So you strum from the fifth string to the first string. The second way I'm going to show you could be a bar chord, or we could do it without making it a bar chord. We'll first start without having it as a bar chord. So we're going to put our first finger on the second fret, fifth string, our third finger on the fourth fret of the fourth string, second finger, third fret, third string, and fourth finger, fourth fret, second string. And we're going to strum from strings 5 to 2. Now, if you want to make it a bar chord to get that higher note F sharp, you can just pivot your first finger down. And you get that high F sharp note. And the third way I'm going to show you is in the seventh position. So we're going to take our B note on the seventh fret, sixth string. We're going to take our second finger and put it seventh fret on the second string. And then we're going to take our third and fourth finger and put them on the fourth and third string at the eighth fret. And we mute the fifth string by our first finger being a little more flat fingered. And we strum from strings 6 to 2. So for this lesson, I just wanted to show you those three. Of course, there's a lot more. Now, if you go through the whole series of 7 chords, major 7 chords, or any of my chord videos, you'll find different videos have more shapes, and then eventually it all becomes the same, a lot of them, as long as it doesn't have an open string. So what I mean by that, this is a B major 7 chord. If I know that this note here on the 6th string is a D, and I play that same shape, now I'm playing a D major 7 chord. So that's what's kind of cool about closed position chords, chords that don't have an open string. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. And also, if you want free charts of chords, scales, and exercises, you can download those. Just check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.